Are you changing your filter in your Hydra Home Unit? Well, I'm Amanda here, the CEO of Healthy Hydration. I want to let you know that we're doing a special right now for you. So we don't want you to void your warranty by not changing the filter every year. It's very important to do that even if the unit does not tell you to change the filter. It's standard on any filter every single year to change it. So make sure you change it every year to not void your warranty. But right now we have a special going on, buy two, get one complimentary, right? So buy two, get one complimentary. That will last you for, could be up to 3 years. And then we also have a portable water bottle here that you get as a gift, and it's stainless steel. So water, our hydrogen water, is sensitive to 5 things: air, light, time, temperature, and motion. And it definitely makes a difference what kind of bottle you put it in. You want to use stainless steel or glass because they're inert. They're not going to conduct electricity. So we provide one of those for you as a gift with this special. So hopefully you take action on this. There should be a link somewhere on this page. Go ahead and click that, order your two, and get the other one as a complimentary gift and the bottle. Cheers.